Watch this video if you want to learn the early indicators that your organization is ready to consider buying or upgrading a Configure Price Quote or CPQ system. My name is Micaiah and I'm from Chargent. If you are a sales ops leader or a sales executive that uses Salesforce, then you're in the right place. So let's review our 7 early indicators that tell you that it's time to consider implementing or maybe upgrading your CPQ system in your organization.
To learn more about Salesforce billing, I want to invite you to download a special checklist which we created just for you. You can download the guide now from the link below.
All right, early indicator number 1 is delivering a pricing proposal takes hours or, God forbid, days. If your team is spending more than an hour to produce a pricing offer for your prospects and customers, then your organization is spending too much time on this task, and you likely need a better CPQ system. Early indicator number 2 is you offer different monetization models. If you're leveraging advanced monetization models like usage-based billing, subscriptions, price tiers, one-time sales, and services, it might be time for a more advanced CPQ system. Having these different models are great for revenue diversification. However, without the right tools, they make your sales team's job just more difficult. So keep your salespeople selling and not generating documents by empowering them with a CPQ system that eloquently manages this complexity for them. Remember, sophistication is complexity simplified.
But first, I want to invite you to download a special checklist which we created just for you. We cover 10 ways to put more cash in quote-to-cash with Salesforce billing. You can download the guide now from the link below.
Early indicator number 3 is that your customers require flexibility in deal structures. There's a common trope in business that the billing team wants stability and normalized deals, while the sales team needs flexibility to be able to work with their buyers. Giving flexibility will likely increase sales. Keeping deals normalized will reduce labor costs in the billing department. A well-implemented CPQ system will help achieve both of these benefits with the least amount of friction possible. Early indicator number 4. You have a land and expand sales model. So getting a customer signed up or landed by showing them how you can benefit their organization, establishing trust, and then guiding them to expand their usage of your products and services is a well-proven sales strategy. This golden model, it does have some built-in inefficiencies. If your customer experiences any of the friction in the process, well, you're right back where you started. A CPQ system helps you keep things running smoothly. Early indicator number 5. Renewals require lots of manual effort. When you expand your business with your customers, they're buying more of your products. And this generally is great news, but renewals can be challenging to understand. If your renewals team is spending significant time manually recreating contracts for each customer, well, your labor costs are going to be sky high. A well-oiled CPQ system keeps your renewal labor costs down. Early indicator number 6. Your pricing takes more than a few minutes to explain. If explaining pricing to a new salesperson requires an entire class with custom curriculum and handouts, you can be sure that you have sophisticated pricing. If your pricing cannot be explained in under 10 minutes, you likely need CPQ. Early indicator number 7. It's over-discounting to get deals done. When your sales team feels like they don't have any other option other than adding a larger discount, that can be a sign that they just don't know other ways to negotiate inside the rules. A robust CPQ system will guide your salespeople to a solution that enables them to negotiate with your customers while protecting your margins. Your pricing team, they're likely very smart. They're going to know ways to bundle products to be attractive to customers while managing to the bottom line. A great CPQ system is going to surface this to your agents at key moments in a simple manner so that they can close deals faster and more profitably. And now that you know when it's time to buy or upgrade your CPQ system, next, I want you to watch this video here, where you will learn more about how Chargent makes payments simple for you. I'll meet you over there. My name is Micaiah, and I'm from Chargent, where we are dedicated to helping you make payments simple. And remember, we're always here to help.